So today we will be creating the analysis dataset. Okay, analysis dataset is nothing but ADEM. Okay, ADaM dataset for EG domain. Generally, analysis dataset names we will be giving as AD. AD represent analysis dataset. For whichever domain you are doing this analysis dataset, give that domain name, SDTM domain name. Okay, ADEG. Okay, now. So as I told you, analysis dataset. So in the very first session, I think I told you like analysis datasets are of two types. One is in a subject level ADSL, and the other one is BDS. Okay. So analysis datasets are classified into two types. One is AD, analysis dataset SL, subject level. The other one is BDS, basic data structures. Analysis dataset subject level is nothing but, see, for one subject, if you have only one observation, that you call as subject level datasets. Okay, for example, take demographics data. If you take demographics data for one subject, you will be having only one demographic data, right? I mean, like only one observation you will be having for each subject. If you take any other data set, suppose if you take EG or if you take VS, for one subject you will be having multiple observations, no? Suppose say like in visit 1, like they will be taking some readings. In visit 2, again they will be taking some readings. In visit 3, again they will be taking some readings, right? So like this you will be having multiple observations. When you have for the same subject multiple observations, that you call as basic data structures. Okay. If you have one observation per subject, that you call as subject level data set. Okay. Now, so let us start creating this ADEG, analysis data set for electrocardiogram domain. For creating analysis dataset also, we will be having that spec document, ADaM spec document. Okay. Okay. See, these are the, see, domain is nothing but ADEG. Okay. And these are the variables that we have to create. Okay. And label, like comments is nothing but from which domain we have to take. See here, from EG domain you have to take it. We have already created the EG data set, right? So from EG domain, which variable? Study ID variable. Okay. So here they have given the source also. See, SDTM. Okay. Now, so first let us, we have already created this one, but we created in work library, so it got deleted. Let us create the EG domain once again. Okay. Okay. We want sub EG also, right? Okay, so EG and sub EG datasets we have created. Now coming to the analysis dataset. So we have to take the both ADEG, sorry, we have to take both EG, and if it has any supplementary datasets, we have to consider the supplementary datasets also. Because, so if you observe that wherever the abnormality is other, that particular other value of the abnormality we have placed in the sub EG, right? So we have to consider both the datasets, okay? So consider both the datasets. Data, I'll give the dataset name as ADEG. Okay, ADEG. Now merge these two datasets. Merge AG and sub AG. Okay. Merge AG and sub AG and run. But by what variables will you merge this data? By say that what are the reference variables that we have? One is subject ID and the other one is sequence number, because sequence number we created by using almost all the reference variables, right? So take subject ID and EG sequence number. Okay.
You have to sort the data.
Yes, we have to sort the data. Proc sort data equals to EG. Okay. Since we can't change the main domain dataset, write it as EG1. Okay. Proc sort data equals to EG. Out equals to EG1. Okay. By subject ID and sequence number. Okay. And run. Okay. Next. Similarly, proc sort data equals to sub EG by EG sequence number and run. But I think in sub EG, it is not EG sequence number, right? It should be some other variable name. I think ID varval or something, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
So here it should be ID varval. Okay, ID varval. And subject ID is same subject ID only, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, because of the different variable names, can we take it here as EG sequence number?
No.
No, right? So we have to make these two variable names as the same variable name. Okay. So shall we so we will rename it. But at the same time, when you are taking as the common variable, it should be of the same data type also, right?
Yes.
Yes. So here I think ID varval is what? Let us check the data type. See, it is character data type ID varval is. Okay. Close it. Now check EG sequence number. I think it should be of numeric data type, right?
Yes, we will.
See, numeric data type. So different data types. This is also the one of the problem, right? We can't merge the data. So here what we'll do is data. I'll change from supplementary data set, okay, rather than changing in the main domain data set. So I'll create a new data set called sub EG1, okay, sub EG1 set from sub EG,
Okay.
okay. Now so I'll here in sub EG, I'll create a new variable called EG sequence number, EGSCQ. Okay, because here we are taking that as the common, right? So EGSCQ equal to, how do you convert a character value to a numeric value? By making use of input statement, right? So input of ID var val. Okay, input of ID var val comma best
Comma best
dot.
dot.
Okay, enter and run. Okay, okay. So here you say like prox or data equals to sub eg1 by eg sequence number. Okay, now so this is done, right?
Merge AG1.
Merge, yeah, here it is merge eg1, here it is sub eg1. Okay, in this sub eg1, what are the variables that we have to keep? We don't require all the variables from sub eg1, right? Because we have all the whatever variables that we have in eg, the same variables we have taken in sub eg. But what is the extra variables that we have taken? Only
Spec.
that spec value, no, this value, qval value. So what we'll do is we'll take this subject id var is nothing but eg sequence number, right? That value and qval, these are the three variables we'll keep. Okay, so let us keep only that variables. Keep equals to subject id sequence number, subject id sequence number and qval. Okay, qval, keep only these variables. Fine, right? Close this and execute this program. No, why to execute here only? We'll look some more calculations. Okay, whatever direct calculations that we have from this spec document, we'll do that also. Okay. Mhm. See, study ID. Study ID we already have in EG domain, right? So if you want, we will cross check. This is EG. See, study ID we already have, no? So we'll get that. Next, subject ID we already have. EG eval. See EG eval. Yeah, EG eval also we have, right? But where we don't have any value. Okay, EG eval also we have. The next one is EG cat.
Category.
Well, next one is EG cat. Okay, next eval. So eval we don't have, right? So we have to create that variable. So let us create that variable. Eval equals to EGTRESL. Okay, EGTRESC. Okay, eval equals. So directly they have given, no? So take the value directly. ABLFL. Okay, equals to EGBLFL. Okay. Next one is param. Param equals to what they have given,
Test.
derived from EG test. So directly give EG test. Okay. And after that, param code equals to, so directly give EG test code. Okay. Next one, ADT equals to EGDTC. Okay. ADT equals to, so here what they are saying, actual date of the ECG taken, right? So they want only the date, right? So from EGDTC variable, you have to take the date. EGDTC variable is nothing but combination of both date and time, no?
Yes.
So let us take only date part from this. Okay. How do we extract the only date part?
Oh,
AD.
by using
Sorry.
by using
Yeah,
oh
by
my God.
using, since it is already character variable, okay, so
Yeah.
either you can make use of the substr function, or
Yeah. Service.
yeah, or you can make use of the length statement also. Here I'll make use of the length statement. Why means, see, here what they are saying, again we have to convert that to date 9 dot format, right, which is nothing but numeric format, right?
Yes.
So here what we'll do is, if I'll make use of the length statement. If length of, okay, what is that variable? EGDTC, right? If length of EGDTC greater than 10, okay, see here, see. So here if the length is greater than 10, then it has both date and time, right? Or else at least, like, see, the first 10 values are representing the date, right? So
Yes.
if the length has greater than 10, if the actual length is greater than 10, it means it has both date and time, right? So let us take that part. So if length greater than 10, then we have date value. So date length greater than 10, then do, okay, ADT equals to, so input, okay, so because we have to convert the
Numerical format.
numeric value, right? So how do we extract that part? By making use of substr function only. Substr of ADT, sorry, EGDTC, right?
DTC.
Substr of EGDTC, comma, starting from first position till 10th position, extract, okay? And YYMMDD 10 dot. Because the date format here is YYMMDD, right? So we have given the same format, okay? I mean, in the input, the date format is YYMMDD, no?
Yes.
Okay, so because of that, we have given the same format, YYMMDD. Now, the next one is, what is the next variable to be created? ATM, okay? Equals to, starting from not 11th position, 12th position, right? See,
Yes.
starting from 12th position till the end, no? So leave it, okay? Starting from 12th position till the end. And what is the format? Time 8,
It.
time 8 dot, okay? Else do. So if the length is not actually greater than 10, then you have only date, right? So just write date in the end. Okay? Now, so now you make use of the format statement to declare the given formats as per the spec document. Format ADT. For ADT, what is the format they have given? Date 9 dot. So use this format. Okay? And for ATM, what is the format they have? For ATM, what is the format they have given?
Like 5.
Time 5 dot. Okay. So we have given date and time is completed. Now the next one is visit n. Okay, a visit n equals to, which is nothing but visit number by 10, right? See, they have given the formula derived from EG visit number as visit number by 10. So make use of the direct formula. Okay, visit number by 10. Next one is a visit. Okay. So, and after that, what are the variables that we have to create? These are the variables, right? These four variables will create in the next program. Sorry. Okay, and we don't require all the variables, no, we just require the variables that what we have created. Okay, so keep only these variables we require. That's it. So keep study id till a visit. Okay.
Semicomma is missing.
Huh?
There is one semicomma is missing. A visit n is equal to visit num by 10.
Okay, anywhere else?
No.
So open this ADEG.
Why it's not showing anything on the login?
Yeah, exactly. So that's why. Just a moment. Hmm. There is some error here. Okay, we have given two parentheses, that is the error. See here. Not here. See here. So here one closing bracket, two closing brackets, but sorry, two opening brackets and three closing brackets. Now creating. What is the dataset? ADEG.
ADEG.
Okay. Hmm? So we got it, right? Now let us check like what they are saying in the spec document. Okay, for base. Okay. So what they're saying actually here, CHG equals to change from baseline value they are saying, right? Hmm?
Yes.
So they are saying it as change from baseline value. So our first visit will be the baseline value, right? So in the first visit, they look before giving the actual drug, before treating with the actual drug, they will be taking some testing readings, right, in their visit one.
Mm.
So they want to like check the change. They want to see the change before giving the drug and after giving the drug. Like what is the change? Okay, they want to calculate that values. So as visit one, see here, EGSTRESN at BLFL equals to Y. So if you observe this, when we are creating that EG domain, EG domain, we have given baseline flag equals to Y at visit number equals to 10. Remember?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so which is nothing but the baseline value, right? Baseline flag is nothing but there we are giving some flag to identify it as a base value, right? So at visit equals to 10, we are giving some flag like baseline flag equals to y. So from that value, from visit 10 value to visit 20 value for the same subject, what is the difference? We have to calculate. Got it?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Pavani.
Got it, right? So for that, what we have to do? So normally, how we have the data here? We have all the data in vertical form, right? See, where is visits, different visits. Huh. See here. So visit 10 for the same subject. Visit 10. What are the readings? Okay. For the same subject in visit 30, what are the readings? Okay. For the same subject in visit 40, what are the readings? So if you want to see like for the same subject, see. This is all same subject only, no? Till here, see? Same subject, okay? So go here. Wait, see here, for the same subject, visit 10 readings, visit 20 readings, visit 30 readings, right? Or else visit 10, 30 and 40, okay? So readings. Now, we want to calculate difference in change, okay? See here, visit 10, findings, like some value we'll be having, no, some reference, like EG category. So according to that reference, see here, it is 62, and after testing the drug, it is 83. And again, after in the third visit, when they are giving like the drug, it is 68. Okay. So now what is the change? What is the change from visit 10 to visit 30? 62 minus 83 divided by 62. Hello.
Yes, Pavani.
Now how do you calculate that change? Here we are saying it manually, but for all the observations, how do we do it? So because of that reason, here what we'll do is we'll create a data set. Okay, we'll create another data set. Okay, and there will take only wherever the baseline flag is y. Okay, we'll take only that data. Baseline flag y is nothing but wherever the visit value is 10, there we have given the baseline flag as y. Okay, so that visit 10 data we will be taking into a separate data set, and then we'll merge these two data sets, this data set ADEG and the one which we have created with baseline flag equals to y. Okay, these two data sets will merge. When we merge these two, obviously we'll get one more column like this, right, next to this. So now let us calculate the difference between those two columns. What do you say?
Which two column? EGSTR,
Yes.
ESN and
Yeah, EGSTRN and the one column that what we will be creating from that column. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So I'll do the programming. Okay. Once you see, if you are not understanding, I'll explain you again. Okay. Close this. So, but you got the concept, right? Like change is nothing but from visit 10, like from first visit to the next following visits, whatever is the change, we want to calculate the change. Okay. So that is the concept. Okay. Now, so data, I'll create another data set called ADEG1. Okay. Take the data from ADEG. Okay. So here they have given the condition, no, where baseline flag equals to y. Take that one. Okay. Where baseline flag is EGBLFL equals to y. Okay. Now, so and here what they are saying that base equals to analysis value, right? See, so what they are saying, base equals to EGSTRN, okay, EGSTRN at EGBL equals to Y, right? So here we have first written the condition where baseline flag equals to Y, there base value equals to EGSTRN, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, Pavani.
Till this part, are you clear?
Yes, Pavani.
Yes, no? Okay. So what is EGSTRN? Eval, correct? So instead of writing EGSTRN, give it as eval. Clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So this is done. The next one is we want to merge the data, right? So data ADEG. See, first you run this program. Open this ADEG one. Again, what is the error with it? Okay. So for EGBLFL, see, EGBLFL is nothing but ABLFL, right?
Yes.
So give that one. Open this ADEG one. Now you see here. See, wherever visit value is 10, see, okay, only visit one value we are getting here, right? So now when you merge this ADEG1 and ADEG, you will be getting this base value and that EGSTRN, right? Those both the columns you will be getting side by side. Now you calculate the difference, base minus EGSTREN. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So that you will be getting the change. See, data ADEG. Merge ADEG with ADEG underscore 1. Okay. Sorry, ADEG 1. ADEG 1. Okay. Now, by subject ID, and what are the reference variables that we can take? Test code. One is subject ID and the other one is we can take the reference as this code HR mean, RR mean, PR mean, because we want to calculate the difference for HR mean between the base value and the next following values, right? So take the parameter code as the reference, param code, okay? Now, and run, okay? But whenever we use by statement, sort the data. Okay, there is no need of output here. Creating output data set is not needed. Okay, by subject ID and parameter code. Okay, now by subject ID and parameter code. Run. Okay, run this. ADEG, open this one. Now you see here, see we got the base value here, right? Base value is nothing but wherever this baseline flag is y, there we are getting that value, right? Now, see here. I'll show you the difference. Sorry, hide this. Subject ID. As of now, we don't require these variables, so I'm hiding just to show you the calculation. This also we don't require. Baseline flag, leave it. This one you keep it. Hide this one. So from different visits, right? So instead of taking this one, we'll take. Okay, see here. For the same subject, see here, at visit 1, the HR mean value is 62, right? And
Yes.
same base value, like first visit, no, visit 1 to visit 1 value will be like always 0, right? There will be no change. Same, see here, at visit 3, for the same subject, HR mean value is 83. In his first visit, it is 62, but in his third visit, it is 83. So what is the change? Base minus eval, right? Or eval minus base, anything. So they have given here that value. Okay, formula they have given. So according to this formula, we will be calculating. Got it? Now see, from first visit to final visit, what is the change? Okay. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Pavani.
You got it, right? So that's the reason here what we did is just by taking only the baseline value, okay, base value, like only that visit 1 value, wherever the baseline flag is y, only with that values we have created a column called base column, okay, in another data set. And we merged these two data sets so that we will be getting these two columns side by side, which will be easy for calculating the difference. Okay. Now close this. Now calculate the difference. Okay. If give the formula only. Base we have calculated. Next one is change, right? CHG, which is nothing but change, equals to EGSTRESN minus base. Okay. What is EGSTREN?
Eval.
Eval. Okay. Take it as eval. Okay. So when this value will be more relevant if both the values are not missing, right? So right here if eval not equal to missing and base not equal to missing, then CHG equals to eval minus base. Okay. Next. The next one is percentage change. Okay, percentage change is nothing but equals to, they only have given the formula, no? Take this formula. Okay. This one. Now EGSTRN is nothing but eval. Okay. Eval. But here see eval minus base is nothing but CHG, no? So make use of that one. CHG. Okay. CHG by base. CHG into 100 by base. Okay. So when this value will be more relevant, I mean when this calculation will be more relevant if CHG not equal to missing and base not in, base shouldn't be either missing nor 0 because we are dividing by that value, right? Then PCHG equals to this value. Okay. Now the next one is if param code equals to INTP. Okay. See here, that is the condition they have given here, no? See here, for calculating this norm variable, derived from EGTRESC, where EG test code equals to INTP, right? So I'm writing the same EG test code, where EG test code equals to INTP, or if EG test code equals to INTP. EG test code is nothing but param code, no? So I'm writing the same, okay? Where param code equals to INTP, then what is the variable that we are going to calculate? Norm. Okay. Then norm equals to EGTRESC, right? Normal or abnormal. Okay. So EGTRESC. What is EGTRESC? See here we have given as eval-C equals to eval-C. Okay. See, if it is normal, we should get the value as normal. If the value is abnormal, we should get it as abnormal. Okay. Let us check what is eval-C. See here, we are getting abnormal, not CS. For normal, we are getting it normal only. But just for abnormal, we are getting it as abnormal, not CS. Okay. So what we'll do is, we'll scan for the first word. Okay. And they are separated by comma, right? Okay. So let us scan for the first word. Okay. So norm equals to scan of eval-C, comma, scan for the first word. And what is the delimiter?
Comma.
Yeah, declare the delimiter as comma. Since it is character data, just in case of leading or trailing blank spaces, to remove them, keep this. Okay, that's it. Open ADEG. See, what is the change? We got the change. Okay, and we got the percentage change also. Okay, so if it is abnormal, we are getting the value as abnormal. If it is normal, see, we are getting it as normal. Okay, clear?
Yes, Pavani.
Yes, Pavani.
Huh?
Yes, Pavani.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so this is about creating the analysis data set. Okay. So from tomorrow till Wednesday, we will not be having the session. Okay, and on Wednesday, I will update. Okay, so we will be back to our normal timing. Oh no, this is your normal timing only, right? Yeah, same timing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Wednesday I'll update once. Uh, what is the case? Okay.
Okay, Pavani.
Okay, then I'll share with you all the study material and today's video and everything.